What's up guys, my name is Joe. I'm a personal trainer here at Outlift Athletics. I'm certified through ACE. I'm also certified through ISSA as a sports nutritionist. Today we're going to be talking about the EliteFTS leg press. We're going to teach you guys how to use it in the most efficient way for whatever your sport may be, and also to minimize any injuries that can possibly occur if used the wrong way. After watching this video, if you guys have any other questions on any of the other equipment here, feel free to reach out to me or any of the other personal trainers, whether it's coaching, maybe how to use any of the equipment. We're all here to help. So the EliteFTS leg press is great for anyone who's looking to strengthen their legs. You could be a powerlifter who maybe just finished up all your squats, you want to do some accessory work. You can really isolate different parts of the leg depending on your foot placement. If your feet are really close together, you're going to be targeting more of the outer sweep of the quads. If your feet are really wide, you're going to be able to target more of your adductors. Also, something pretty important with this piece of equipment here is the way the pad is set up. If you load up too much weight and you feel at the bottom that your back is coming off the seat or your butt is coming off the seat, that kind of mimics a butt wink of a squat. We want to avoid that at pretty much every cost. So maybe you got to decrease the weight, or maybe you got to adjust the way the seat is set up. So all of the equipment here at Outlift Athletics is hand selected. It's all very unique, and there's a set reason why we have everything. So we're gonna start with the EliteFTS leg press. The backrest, or the seat where we're obviously gonna be seated on, is fully adjustable. So if you're very tall, you're gonna keep it all the way down low. The shorter you are, you wanna bring it up peg by peg. Obviously that's something you guys would kind of have to test depending on how tall you are. I know for me, I'm 6 foot, I'm gonna bring it all the way down low. That's what feels the best for me. So another piece that makes this very unique is the fact that it has 2 safeties. One comes completely equipped in the machine. You never have to worry about it. You never have to touch it. God forbid you fail a rep. It's going to come all the way down. The safety's there. You'll be safe. You'll be fine. We also have pegs that we can adjust range of motion for. So maybe you're targeting a specific range of motion for your squat. We can adjust those pegs so you guys can do that. You can also rest it all the way on the bottom, so again, you have a safety if you were to fail. Something else that makes it very unique, and I know I love this for all my clients, is the fact that we can add bands to it. You can add bands for more tension at the top. Again, this is beneficial for someone who's trying to work on specific range of motion, maybe a power lifter that gets stuck in the middle of a squat or at the top of a squat. You can also do the opposite, and you can have it add assistance to the movement. So if you have a client with maybe fake hip, maybe knee issues, it'll mimic or take away the stretch reflex from the bottom. The band will actually kind of assist so they don't have to put so much pressure on the hips or knees. So on top of being able to use the bands for any amount of resistance that you really want, the machine itself is plate loaded, so it's very easy to adjust how much weight you're moving. It can hold well over 1,000 pounds, which is crazy. I don't think too many people are pressing over that here. Also, another reason why I like it is you're able to go single leg or dual leg. There is a pole that literally all you do is twist 2 handles, slide it out. There's a holder for the handle in the back. Just if you're ever adjusting that, if you're sliding that in or out, don't have any weight on the machine. That's just not safe. You're only gonna end up hurting yourself doing it like that. Thank you for watching the video, guys. I hope we're able to learn a little bit about the EliteFTS leg press. Feel free to watch all the other videos covering some of the other equipment here. Feel free to let us know if there's any equipment that you guys have a question on, something you want explained. Feel free to come to Outlift. We have tours, we got full access memberships, we offer personal training, we have group classes, and we just have the best environment and best equipment anywhere. My name is Joseph Hove. I'm a personal trainer here at Outlift. I'll see you guys in the gym soon.